Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call back Sandy Home Recipe. Then they can show a video. Remember room subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. You say be a beef stir fry. Be a beef. Medical to chadeda. What the 1 teaspoon beef seasoning egumu, 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon salt, black pepper, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soya, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon cornstarch. What the oil kakra den egumu. What the so kakra de aka ho. No one mixing it now together. Would they see for 30 minutes? Would the enso 1/4 cup egu ubomu? Would the 2 teaspoon cornstarch? 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1.5 tablespoon dark soya. One mixing in that together. O mix it with na they see in chain. Would the sauce for see jasum? Now they want to cry the egumu. Edra now with the chop onion aka ho. Now with the enam now the see in chain beef no. What is egumu? No what stir fry. Are you ready? Now where you esi in chain. What the sauce spice jasu now the soya the egumu. We are now with the vegetable where broccoli, carrots. Now one manesi su ehu kakra bi. Eti ehu yesi a na we yefi ensuo ni mu. Would they see in chain? Now the saucepan asensi jaso. Now the oil kakra the egumu. Edra now they will chop garlic egumu. Chop onion. Chop spring onion. Chop carrots. One mixing that together. What stir fry kakra now the bell pepper egumu. Me use yellow ni red bell pepper. We are now the chop onion. One mixing that together. What jam na esi suka kra wo ho anu wa kan den afra. Edu time we ya na wo de wo liquid mixer na wo di si nche no wa hwie de egumu. Na wa mixing na so together. Na wa chemo kakra. Watching where we now the beef now with the tin chain we share the egumu. No one mixing that together. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. We are not the vegetables near the egumu. No one mixing that together. It's your white rice. I wait me a ding, eddy. And I said, you be a person would know, wait me the eddy. We are not the salt kakra the aka. I am ready. No what tree, no what serve. Now this our beef stir fry. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.